Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on my current favorite hair care products. I don't have much, but I have some that I felt was worth mentioning. I found myself reaching for these products a lot that I don't even give other products a chance to see if I like them or not. But the first product I wanted to mention is the the Eden Bodyworks leave-in conditioner. I really enjoy this. I use this every wash day. I use this, and it is halfway gone. Not even halfway, it's past the halfway mark. I have about this much left. I do have other leave-in that I definitely want to try, but I do enjoy this. I also enjoy the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Straighten and Restore Shampoo. That is a long name. I hate the name of this product, but I do enjoy this shampoo. It cleanses my hair. It doesn't leave it feeling dry. A little goes a long way. And it's a bit runny, so if you guys like to just focus your shampoo on your scalp, then I suggest you put it in an applicator bottle. It will make it so much easier if you do it that way. And speaking of Shea Moisture, I'm actually surprised that I like this product, which I shouldn't be surprised because I enjoy the shampoo as well as the conditioner from this line, which is the Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. This thing is pretty good. I actually like this. I like it so much that it's practically gone. Most of these products I'm showing you guys are practically gone. Like, that's how much I use them. I really enjoy this. This is a good one. Another product that I like is the Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. This is my jam. I really like this. It's gone. I need another jar. It's affordable. It gets the job done. Moisturizes my hair. The definition is great. Love it. Another product that you guys should definitely know that I've been enjoying is the Garnier Whole Blends Hydrating Mask. I did a first impressions as well as a demo on this product. It's very moisturizing, it smells good, and it's affordable. Love this product. You definitely should try this out. Like, it's bomb. It's pretty bomb. Yeah, it's pretty darn bomb. I can't wait for wash day because I think I'm going to use this for wash day. Another product that I wanted to mention, but a lot of people have written this product off. They canceled it, but I ain't canceled it. It's good in my book. It slicks my hair down. It's bae. It's my third jar of this product. It's the Eco Styler Gel Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil. I have tried the olive oil. I have tried the argan oil, and now I have this one, and I definitely love it. It slicks my hair down. Like today, slick down. Like, what? Love it. And the last product I wanted to mention that I never hear anybody talk about, like nobody ever talks about this product, is the OGX Curling Hair Butter Leave-In or Rinse Out. I love this thing. It is so good. It's thick, it's moisturizing, and it smells so freaking good. You guys probably can't see that because it's white, but you should definitely try this out. This is the product I was talking about when I said that my twist outs have been coming out better. This is what I use. I'm still going to do a video on that, so you guys will definitely see this product in action. But those are all the products that I wanted to mention. There's also other products that I do enjoy, but I didn't want to include them because I always talk about them, like my TGIN Honey Miracle Mask, my Cantu Curl Activating Cream, the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil mask. I love all those products as well, but I didn't want to mention those. I wanted to show you something different. Hopefully in my next video will be even more different products because these are almost out, so I need to give my other products a try. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.